Do you want to make hair growth spray that targets all your hair horrors? Slow hair growth, dandruff, baldness, breakage, itchy scalp, etc. Then you have to make this treatment spray. Do not bother making this treatment if you don't want a fast hair growth. Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and this is the first time of seeing me, hello, welcome. But if you are a subscriber already, hi, thank you for coming back and it's good to have you here again. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make a very potent treatment for preventing dandruff, excessive breakage and shedding. If that's what you want to know, watch this video to the end. For this recipe, I'll be needing onions, garlic, ginger and oil. So guys, just be watching this video because it's self-explanatory while I talk about some of the benefits of this ingredient for our hair. Onion juice is highly effective to prevent hair fall due to the presence of sulfur in it. It is a chief component to make your hair strong. The sulfur may help to promote collagen production and help to produce more hair follicles and clean the skin. It is also believed that onion juice massage can increase the blood circulation of the scalp and improve hair growth. Onion juice contains an antioxidant compound called catalase that help to reduce hydrogen peroxide at the root of the hair. Hydrogen peroxide can cause graying of hair, so by reducing its level, you can prevent graying of hair. Due to the presence of various micronutrients in onion juice, it nourishes your dry, brittle hair. It contains flavonoids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, which increase the blood supply of hair roots. Dandruff is the most common and annoying problems of our hair. Dandruff can be due to fungal infections, which is sometimes correlated with a bacterial infection. Dandruff can cause your scalp skin to dry and itchy. Onion juice possesses antifungal and antimicrobial properties that can help to get rid of dandruff if used constantly. Anti-inflammatory properties of onion juice can smooth the dry and itchy scalp. It also increases the blood supply to the skin, which helps to moisturize the scalp. Garlic is a powerful herb that has natural properties that can help remove dandruff and fight scalp infections. It also helps strengthen the hair follicles, so you will have less breakage and stronger strands. Garlic is rich in sulfuric acid, which is good for the scalp and hair, and it kills bacteria that causes dandruff and other scalp issues. It also stimulates blood circulations around the head, which promote hair growth. Here are some of the benefits of using garlic on hair. It fights scalp infections and dandruff. The antifungal properties of garlic can help fight off infections and dandruff. It strengthens your hair. Garlic has nutrients like vitamin B6, potassium and iron that will give you more lustrous look. It also controls frizz. Garlic help dam your frizz strands and leave them smooth and shiny. It also controls the production of sebum, which is what causes hair to become greasy and curly. It adds shines to your hair. Garlic gives a natural shine that doesn't come from any other product in the market. With garlic's anti-inflammatory properties, it can stop hair breakage, so you will have fewer split ends left over after brushing, styling your hair. It also adds strength to the strands so they don't break as easy when brushing through them. The sulfur in garlic stimulates your metabolism and will give you an energy boost. Garlic has natural properties that can help remove dandruff, scalp infections, and strengthens your hair follicles. And it can also stop scalp itchiness. So with all this, it has no secret that garlic can help strengthen your hair. It has properties that give follicles more volume and stop breakage. If you are noticing some thinning in your hair, try applying garlic mask or using this mask regularly. So after washing your garlic, ginger and onion, you go ahead and peel your ginger, peel your garlic and peel your onions. After peeling them, you go ahead and cut them into smaller particles. After cutting them into smaller particles, you put them inside your blender. Then add little water to it so that your blender will be able to blend it. But if you don't have a blender, you can go ahead and use your okra grater to grate all these ingredients. After grating them, you press out the juice, then it's ready for use. This method is very potent. So after blending them, you just go ahead and filter out the juice from it. After filtering it, you put it in your can. If you have watched this video to this extent and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up for engagement here on YouTube and drop a comment down below if you have any questions, comment or suggestions. And please share this video to whom you feel needs it. Ginger help improve the circulation of the scalp while also stimulating each hair follicles, which in turn promote longer, stronger hair. The many vitamins, minerals and fatty acids in ginger also contribute to strengthening your hair strands to combat hair loss, and ginger contributes to restoring moisture loss. Do you suffer from dry scalp and dandruff or itching scalp? Ginger has antiseptic properties that help to reduce scalp infections, dandruff and scalp itchiness. Ginger provides some natural conditioning benefits to help improve the look and feel of your hair. If you suffer from split ends or hair breakage, try incorporating ginger into your hair regimen, or this very combo I'm showing you in this video, try doing it often, like more often, then you will thank me later. The potent antioxidant present in ginger can be useful in providing nourishment to the hair, leading to an improved look and feel. Antioxidants present in ginger protect hair follicles and reduce damage, leading to an improved hair growth cycle. So, several benefits of ginger make it an ideal choice as a remedy against hair damage, and organic products that contain ginger should be a part of everyone's healthcare routine and ensure healthy, long and strong hair. Meaning, you can always incorporate ginger on your hair. You can do it in too many forms. So in this channel, I'm going to be exploring on ginger. I will try and come out with different ways that we can incorporate ginger into our hair care regimen. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be getting the updates. After adding the juice we got from our ginger, garlic and onions in our spray can, after adding it, you go ahead and add olive oil to it. You can either use olive oil, sunflower oil, almond oil or coconut oil, depending on the oil you like to use. Like for me, in this particular place, I used sunflower oil because sunflower oil is also good for our hair and is lightweight oil, so it's also good. After that, you give it a good stir. You shake it very, very well for the oil and the juice to combine together. Then your dandruff and itchy scalp treatment is ready for use. Apply this hair treatment to an already washed hair. You part your hair into sections apply. Like me in this place, I went and pour it over my hair. Okay, after pouring it, I went ahead and massage my hair, give it a good massage. After massaging for 10 minutes, go ahead and use shower cap to cover your hair, or rubber or cellophane. Then you cover your hair for 1 to 2 hours, it depending on how busy you are. Like me, I carried mine for up to 3 hours that particular day, and trust me, from the very first use, your inching scarf will stop and that dandruff will be reduced. So do this once in a month. If you have a very severe dandruff and your scarf really hinged and it hurts, do it every 2 weeks for maximum results. This treatment is very, very effective. When I mean very, very effective, it's very, very effective. You have to be patient in doing this treatment because natural remedies work with a lot of patience. And please, when applying it, be careful from guide your eyes, okay? Because ginger and garlic, even onions, are really painful when it enters your eye. After washing your hair with shampoo, go ahead with a leave-in conditioner before you go and seal it with a sealant, which is either with your oil or with your hair butter. You go ahead and put your hair in any protective style you want to make, and please don't forget to moisturize your hair. So guys, having done that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If so, let me know in the comment section below. See you all in the last one. Bye, and I love you all.